Alright, good morning everyone. We are about to be on our way to Z Fever to go get tuned by Martin from RS-Enthalpy. I'm never gonna say the name right. But yeah, so we're gonna head over there. Spark plugs are probably black as shit in the car right now, like suited the fuck up. So we have an extra 18 spark plugs that I gapped last night. So we got 3 rounds of spark plugs for tuning, but we should only need like 1 maybe. So yeah, we're gonna start heading that way, hopefully make it there safely. Yeah.
Oh yeah, dude. Look at that.
Is that Z Fever? Yeah, it's Fever. Alright. Where should I park?
Wherever you can.
Let's go. Well, so I'm just gonna lock this dude in. Yeah? Yeah. Like 3. So we made it to Z Fever. We are in downtown Tampa, and get away from me, man.
You gotta talk.
I gotta hear. Gotta listen.
Because it's kind of loud over here.
So we made it to Z Fever. We have Martin doing some little fixes real quick on the car before we hopefully get to tuning, and then we'll get to tuning, and we'll be good, hopefully.
Fingers crossed.
We'll see. Martin's a little skeptical about stuff going on with the car right now, but it's fine.
The car is basically like a converted like RB20 harness to like a RB26 harness.
Yeah, so he says so like, he looked at the harness and looked at the backside of the ECU, that like where the pins are, and was so pretty much somebody went through a lot of time and effort of like completely like repinning, splicing into, and adding new wires and stuff to an RB20 harness to make an RB26 harness. So that's the thing. Damn.
So it's either going to be wiring on the car, the regulator, or the pump.
So first run we made a whopping 147 horsepower. So basically it was leaning out and fuel pressure was dropping. So we're kind of diagnosing that right now. And we pulled the fuel pump out, and it's just like some generic like rep pump. Like it's not even like it doesn't have like any markings on it or anything. So hopefully we can find another pump and that'll fix our issue. So we'll see. Good note though, the tank looks pretty clean, so that's good. But let's see what happens.
All right, so we are home. Martin gave us a little chores list to do before we can actually get tuning. He tried. There's too many issues going on that were unknown to us. So we have a lot of fueling stuff to do. Not really. So we got, it had some like Chinese Walbro knockoff fuel pump in there that was not doing its job. So they had, Martin happened to have a 255 Walbro on hand, brand new. So we put that boy in there and immediately, so we had on the dyno, he tried doing a pull, it was like 140, and then we did the fuel pump, he did another pull and it was like 240. So picked up like 100 horsepower just off of just getting a functional fuel pump. But so that's out of the way. But it has a clogged fuel filter and has a Chinese knockoff Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator.
It's probably not even an Aeromotive. It's just like,
it looks like
does it?
An Aeromotive. Yeah, it's like the same style. So so I ordered a new fuel pressure regulator. I ordered a radium. Got a radium inline fuel filter, Aeromotive, actual Aeromotive FPR, and and then the other issue was that he thinks that the cat might be clogged up too. So I got an Apexi test pipe coming in, like cat delete pretty much. So got all that stuff happening, and we're going to start collecting that stuff. It'll start coming in and I'll start installing it, and then we can hopefully head back over and get this thing running properly. And I might go ahead and take some stuff off of my old RB26 and put on here, like just to get a little bit more out of it for now. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's where we're at. Tuning didn't go as planned, but it'd be like that.
Progress, baby.
Yeah. We thought it was gonna run better too. It seemed like it was going to. We got to like our first like light leaving Z Fever, and then like it just started like dying, like it wouldn't idle. And then we were able to make it to tint MVP to go get
sheet dark
tinted, and made it there. And on the way back, it just got worse. Like
choppy,
bad. So hopefully after all the stuff that we do to it, it'll get fixed. There's a few electrical things that he mentioned for me to do that I'll also be getting done, which I'm not excited for because electric just sucks. I hate electrical stuff. So, but yeah, we'll get it there. Hopefully next week sometime we'll be able to go back and get it like tuned, like get like a good, like he said on this sort of setup, it should be making like 500 on that dyno, and right now it's at like, it was making like the 240. So we have a long way to go, but hopefully with just a few modifications we can get to that like 500-ish number. I don't really care for that because this build, like this stage of the build, isn't supposed to be like hardcore or anything anyways by any means. So anything like 400 and up I'll be happy with.
What should they do?
You guys should like, comment, and subscribe on our stuff.
And share it with all your friends.
And share it with all your friends.
And your mom.
And if
your
you don't
mom
have,
would love this content.
And if you don't have any friends, just go ahead and like start adding random people, and then share it to them. Like don't post it on your story.
You know how
like
on
see
Instagram,
it,
like those like chicks be like DMing you, trying to like
be that person.
Be that person.
Yeah.
DM everybody.
Just a huge group of anybody that you can find, and then be like, you guys want to get all the ladies? Watch these videos on YouTube that are completely unrelated to getting all the ladies. It'll work.
I might try that.
Okay, Kibby.